Ready to say goodbye to Okta? This video will walk you through deleting your Okta account, whether you're an individual user or an administrator, ensuring a clean and secure exit. Before we begin, it's crucial to prepare first. Back up any important data you might have stored within Okta or connected applications, then review all applications connected to your Okta account to understand how deleting it will affect them. Understand that deleting your Okta account is permanent. For individual users, start by logging into your Okta account. Navigate to your profile settings, usually found by clicking on your name or avatar in the top right corner. Look for an option like Delete Account, Close Account, or something similar. The exact wording might vary. Click on it. You'll likely be presented with a confirmation screen. Read it carefully. This will outline the consequences of deleting your account. If you're sure, click Delete or Confirm. For administrators managing an Okta organization, the process is a bit different. You'll need to first deprovision users and applications. Navigate to the Directory or Users section of your administrator dashboard. Select each user and either deactivate or delete their accounts. Repeat this process for all users in your organization. Next, go to the Application section and remove or disconnect each application integrated with your Okta organization. Finally, to fully delete the organization, navigate to your subscription settings and choose Cancel Subscription. Note, this might require contacting Okta support depending on your plan. After completing these steps, your Okta account or organization should be successfully deleted. You might receive a confirmation email, and that's it. You've successfully deleted your Okta account.